Hello, lovely people. This is Kingsley from Emerge. Today, in our inspirational series, we present sometimes in life we face challenges and difficulties that may seem unsurmountable. Sometimes in life. Sometimes in life, we face challenges and difficulties that may seem unsurmountable. We need to learn to overcome obstacles that appear in our journey as we move on in life. Overcoming obstacles is important because an ability to overcome obstacles allows us to move forward in life and not be held back by the challenges that we face. The ability to overcome obstacles is called resilience. The ability to overcome obstacles is called resilience. People who can stay strong and face every difficulty head on and don't give up easily are hugely resilient. Such people are hugely resilient. They stay inspired and motivated even when they know that it will take time and effort to overcome their obstacles. If you are facing difficult challenges and are looking for strength to overcome them, you might like to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos to spur you on to overcome challenges you are confronted with. If you have not subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. Hand to heart, Asante Sana.